Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with three more companies that hire worldwide for both my US and non US job seekers. We'll be focusing on customer support related positions that allow you to support customers through phone, chat, and email. Two are remote, but you must be based in certain locations, while the third is remote and you can work from anywhere. So let's dive into the details, and maybe one of these roles could be a fit. Our first opportunity is with a company called Hostinger. Now, you're probably familiar with Hostinger. It's one of the newest web hosting platforms out right now. Hostinger is a popular, affordable web hosting provider used to create, manage, and host websites ranging from personal blogs to business sites and online stores. It provides domain registration, AI powered website building, WordPress hosting, VPS, and cloud services, offering an all in one platform for establishing an online presence. Okay, so we are going to look at their job listings, going to join our team. Okay, so we are looking at the customer success section, and as you can see, there's already three positions available under customer success. And let's click on it. Okay. So we're going to be looking at the technical support specialist. So this is the one position where you have to be based in a certain location. But there are actually three locations that you can be based in. The first one is San Salvador. It's really Latin America, certain cities in Latin America that you can be based from. The second position is in Kaunas, Lithuania, which is actually where Hostinger is headquartered. And the third is in the Cebu, Philippines. So you can be based in all three of these areas in order to work this remote position. But we're going to look at the one that says San Salvador. Okay. So it says San Salvador, but it's actually a number of cities in South America that if you are based in, you can apply for this position. And you can go through them: Salvador, Villanueva, Tegucigalpa, San Pedro, La Ceiba, and you can just go through all of them. So if you're in one of these cities, you can apply for the position. Again, customer success is remote. This is a contract permit position. It's not permanent, so keep that in mind. It's good for those who are not looking for something permanent right now. It's always an option. So we're going to scroll down. And let's see, they have some takeaways about the personality type that they think would be best for this position. So it says, before partnering with us, consider if you care deeply about your craft, find purpose in making online success possible for anyone. Take ownership of your growth, continuously learning and improving your skills. Approach problems critically, proposing solutions driven by curiosity and creativity. Adapt quickly through changes in a fast paced environment. Collaborate effectively to achieve meaningful outcomes. Okay, so what are some of the responsibilities of this position? For this opportunity, you are expected to provide expert support on hosting or products, troubleshoot technical challenges via live chat and tickets that exceed customer expectations, simplify technical issues of varying complexity into actionable steps that customers of all expertise levels can follow, contribute to various initiatives that enhance the customer experience based on evolving needs, help make the Cody AI assistant even smarter and more helpful so customers get faster, clearer, and better support. So I'm assuming that's their in-house AI assistant that they use at Hostinger. Keep updated on Hostinger product update services, features, and the latest web hosting technologies to assist customers effectively. Look for smarter, faster, and simpler ways to deliver even better customer experiences. Um, Key information: this is an opportunity that involves rotation based timelines that may include some weekend days. As this collaboration is 100% remote, a workspace with reliable high speed internet is essential to provide services effectively. Okay. What skills are they looking for? You must be fluent in English, written and spoken. Experience providing customer support in tech or software as a service environments, ideally through live chat with a strong record of delivering exceptional customer focused solutions. Excellent communication skills, of course. You're a customer service representative, you need those. Understanding of web hosting fundamentals, and what will make you stand out in this position. If you have an advanced understanding of web hosting technologies, server management, and performance optimization, familiarity with content management platforms like WordPress, hosting control panels like HPanel and cPanel, and email and domain management systems and customer support platforms, experience contributing to or improving AI powered systems. Okay. And what will you get? You will get a 3 to 5 week onboarding phase designed to support you in delivering great customer experiences through knowledge of Hostinger's products, tools, workflows, and more. So, of course, you're going to be getting some training and onboarding to help you get familiar with these tools that you're going to have to present to customers. Freedom and responsibility. Enjoy the flexibility to provide services from home. Services timelines, morning, day, night, and or weekends are discussed and agreed upon in advance to support balanced coverage and personal priorities. You may be, excuse me, you may be eligible for a home office support allowance to help create an efficient workspace. That's always good. Well being, you can take agreed suspension days for rest or recovery. Um, Ensuring a healthy balance while continuing to deliver top quality service, participate in community initiatives that promote wellness, hobbies, and shared interests. When they say you can take an agreed suspension day, I'm assuming they're talking about paid time off. Community and recognition: celebrate the milestones through Hostinger's virtual gatherings, community events, and recognition moments for achievements such as weddings, graduations, and other personal celebrations. So we can go back up to the top. So again, this is a contract position, meaning you will be responsible for your own taxes at the end of the year. This is not a permanent position, but if you are looking for something temporary, it's definitely something that you should take a look at. There's no information about salary. But again, if this is something that looks like it could be a fit, you can make an inquiry before actually applying for the position. Our second opportunity comes with a company called BCD Travel. BCD Travel is headquartered in Utrecht, Netherlands, and is a global travel management company that helps corporations optimize their travel programs, reduce costs, and ensure traveler safety. They provide services including but not limited to booking travel, booking, travel policy management, expense reporting, 24/7 support, and meetings and events management for businesses worldwide. Okay, so let's take a look at their career portal. Let's see, go all the way up, search for jobs. Okay, and we are going to search jobs. And because I know the position that we're looking for is the data support specialist. So this is a data support specialist one, and this position is based in Costa Rica. So you have to be based in Costa Rica. This was just posted on February 28th. And so, some summary of the position: data support specialist full time. The data support specialist one is the first point of contact for all support queries related to our client reporting tools. You will work on a wide range of different tasks daily, from troubleshooting data reports and tools issues to provide training, support, and access to tools. And it says the data support specialist will build close relationships with others from around the globe to support our day to day business. Okay. So, what will you be doing as the data support specialist? Conduct data investigations to identify origin and potential corrections, troubleshoot data and tool issues, errors, analyzing the return to make an informed deduction to be communicated to requesters, set up third party exports and imports, and ensure that we have the necessary data release authorization in place, troubleshoot report queries by reviewing report calculations, parameters, and underlying data, and explaining what the reporting fields are, returning, and the report's purpose. You be create and maintain internal, external user access to our supported tools, decision source, data quality services, file mover, API, and understand the tools that we maintain. Great. About you, what will you bring? You will bring prior experience in a customer service technical support role, SQL and relational database knowledge, proficient in Microsoft Office products, Microsoft Word, Outlook, Excel, etc. Excellent analytical and problem solving skills, strong problem solving and process reengineering skills, excellent verbal and written communication skills in English. Okay. And so, a little bit about the life at BCD. Working at BCD means connecting, collaborating, and celebrating. You'll be part of a virtual, dynamic, and flexible work environment that fosters a good work life balance so you can focus on what makes you happy. Great. And what will you be offered? You'll be offered flexible working hours and work from home or remote opportunities, opportunities to grow your skill set and career, generous vacation days so you can rest and recharge, a compensation package that feels fair to you, including mental, physical, and financial well-being tools, travel industry, professional perks and discounts, an inclusive work environment where diversity is celebrated. And as far as the compensation package, not quite sure if mental, physical, and financial well-being tools, does that equate to health insurance? Not quite sure. You may need to check that out. And you were inquiring about the position. We are dedicated to building a diverse, inclusive, and authentic workplace. If you are excited about a role, but your experience doesn't align perfectly, we still encourage you to apply. So they encourage you to apply even though you may not check all the boxes. Still try if you are interested in this position. As always, do your research on the position and the company and get your resume and applications in as soon as possible. And now our third and final opportunity comes from a company called Automatic. Automatic is a remote first technology company that aims to democratize publishing and commerce, primarily known as the creator and main contributor to the open source WordPress project, WordPress.com. It's founded in 2005. They develop widely used tools for websites, e commerce, and digital communication, including WooCommerce, Tumblr, Jetpack, and Pocket Cast. And these are just a few of the platforms that they have a hand in right here: WordPress, Beeper, Tumblr, WooCommerce, Jetpack. When you have time, you can click through and look through all of them to get familiar with the work that they do. But we are going to go to their job board. So we're going to click Work with Us. And we're going to view the open jobs. So the position that we're featuring is the happiness engineer, customer support and success. So this is a 100% remote job. And this is one position that can be worked worldwide. You can work this position from anywhere. So let's see what some description of the position. It says, the happiness engineers introduce our customers to the possibilities of the open web. We teach, instruct, and solve technical problems so that our customers can achieve their publishing and commerce goals. And about the job, as a happiness engineer, you'll spend around 6 self-scheduled hours per day helping customers via email and live chat. With constant peer support through Slack. We are fully remote but communicate heavily. Expect interaction with both customers and teammates. Happiness engineers typically work 1 to 2 weekend days per month. With an equivalent flex days off during the week. So keep that in mind. Weekend work is going to be required, right? So it says beyond customer support, you'll help elevate our entire customer experience by identifying problems before they arise, find efficiency improvements, and piloting new services like onboarding calls. Okay. Says our ideal hire has built a career in customer service and is genuinely motivated by having meaningful, substantive conversations with customers every single day. We're looking for ambitious, motivated people who want to create a world-class experience every time our customers use our products, right? So what are the qualities that they're looking for? What skills you need to have or they prefer that you have? What we're looking for. WordPress and or WooCommerce experience. Of course, customer support experience. You've worked in technical support, customer experience, or customer success, ideally with high volume end users and loved it. Okay. Initiative and impact, exceptional communication, of course, a self-starter mentality, meaning you're independent, you never miss deadlines, and you thrive in a high autonomy environment. You learn on the job and manage your workload without heavy oversight, and unique experience. Right? So, whether you're a deeply technical troubleshooter, an e commerce expert, experienced leader, or operational genius, tell us how your background makes you perfect for this role. We value diverse experiences, right? So, this is one of the only positions that we've seen that they actually mention the salary range. So, the salary range is 40,000 to 68,000 USD. And it says here, please note that salary ranges are global, regardless of location, and we pay in the local currency. Okay, so whatever your local currency, that's what you'll be receiving your payment in. Let's see. We are pleased to offer a straightforward, competitive base salary, providing financial clarity without complex variable components. This isn't your typical work from home job. We are a fully remote company with an open vacation policy. And it says here, if you want to see the full list of their benefits, because they go through them on the benefits page. So you can see what benefits are available depending on what country that you are based in. And it says we're a distributed company with more than 1,500 automaticians, I guess that's what they call themselves, in nearly every corner of the globe, speaking over 100 different languages. Enriched by this diversity, we're united by a singular mission to democratize publishing, commerce, and messaging so anyone with a story can tell it, anyone with a product can sell it, and everyone can manage their communications from a single source. Okay, so that's about their about the company, and of course their equal opportunity employer language is at the bottom. So Yep. And so that's the position. If it seems like it could be a match for you, again, when you're working for companies abroad, it's always best to make sure that you know the requirements when you are an international worker. But all in all, pretty straightforward customer service position. Again, do your research on the company and the position. And if it's a match, please submit your resumes and applications as soon as possible. Remember, strong communication skills can help you stand out when applying for customer support jobs. Also, make sure you are aware of all necessary requirements for working remotely for a company abroad. Check back next time for more remote job opportunities so I can help you move closer to your work from home goals. See you next time.